So it's like Sunday. Bitcoin never stops, so I'm just doing like a small analysis of what's happening. Normally on Sundays we have like big movements, but yeah, so just showing you what's happening at the moment. Only with the moving averages, and then I can put some. So monthly chart, we had this big buy, the candle closed here, the next candle went up, and now we saw the rejection of the 2021 EMA, which is this white one, and the price starts to go down, and we have here the 20 MA moving average, the simple moving average, also rejecting this area from the top. So you see the candle on this month, it's like shrinking. Maybe by the end of the month, maybe it's red, and we are here. We don't know. This is the support on this area, and needs to hold. If we lose this area here, also you see these wicks here. This is the support of the monthly chart. If we lose here, the support, it's on this little top here, which is a line here. So this is the next buy of Bitcoin, I think. It will be on the 5,264. People who are shorting here, maybe they are lucky and the price won't come here again until we go to the 2,700 or whatever, or even here. We don't know. Or we just bounce from here and then we can come to these tops to 9,000, 9,400, or here, maybe here, you know. That's where I see that the price might come maximum. It's this 9,000 area. Maybe we come down here, up, or if we hold here, maybe we just here and then suddenly there and then down, or up. We don't know. So for now, price is rejecting this area. This is the, as I told you, the monthly. Each candle is a month. So you have 1 month to see the candle going up and down, you know. So, and then we put on the weekly, and you see that the price never came here like many people expected on the white line on the 21, but this one, which is the 12, rejected, and all these candles rejected here. So we have the big buy here, the continuation, and we closed above the 200 moving averages, these two lines here, and then we went up, but then rejected, and we made this top. This one, all that went up, and we are rejecting again. See the wick and the wick. See, this one is starting, it was green and now it's starting, still green, but this week, this is Sunday. If we close below this candle here, it will close red, and the next one, for sure, we will come to this top here to find support on this area. Here, here, or here. As I told you, also on the monthly chart, but the weekly chart is very strong. So you see, price is not passing this area. So it's telling you that we sell. Or maybe today still we come a little bit down and then up, and we finish above all this area on the 7,300. But while we don't close any candle above this area, on the 7,300 or 400, it's like just rejections and people selling. So you see, everyone is selling. They bought here and then they sell here, and then they will buy below, as you see. And here the RSI also still saying it's like it can go higher, but we can go lower too. It's not saying much at the moment at this stage. And yeah, so for now it's rejecting, and today is a very important day because it's the weekly close in like 10 hours from now or 8 hours from now. It will be at 8 o'clock, like 20 hours from now. So it's still one day, but the price you see like slowly starting to come down. And let's see what it does today, and the price will react tomorrow, you know, when this candle closes and we open a new one. If it's below this area, we come down. Oh, look, it's starting to come down, and maybe it might turn red in a bit, and then we crash today. Normally on Sundays, we have the bloody Sundays that the price crashes. We have this week here on this candle, the price might find support here, which is quite possible on this area here, and then bounce again, or we don't find support and we come straight down here, but I don't think so. I think maybe we just here and then down. So this is the analysis on the weekly. So we have support here, here on this candle's close, and that's it. That's the support, and on this area here. And then we come to the daily, and the price, you see, like the stochastic is still pointing down. This one is like stuck, so as you see, which is a good sign, is just on the daily we had this correction, and the price closed above the white line. Yesterday, as you see, we went down and up, and it closed above, so it's still a sign of consolidation. And today we are now coming down. See, it's starting to come down now, exactly now actually. And this is the first support on this purple color of wine 20 moving average, which is quite strong on this 6,700 more or less. But today we can even come down to this support I told you, like here. See the candles, this area here, this candle close, this little candle close. It never the price never came down to test it, and it's connected with these 3 weeks. 1, 2, 3. So this is the area of support. I see that the price might come now today and bounce from here on the 6,400, 6,500, or even here. So this is the areas I see the price bouncing, or here on the 6,200, without losing the structure to go higher again, because this is one low, higher low, and we can create another higher low. If we lose this low here and what the candles close here below, we come down. But I don't think it will happen. The maximum will be this area to buy, all these areas to buy. From this week, from this area, from the 6,000 to 6,450, it's all areas to buy. But today we can have something like this, like what happened here. It's starting to come down, and we can come even here, you know, to the 6,000 level, and then suddenly up and close again above this area. So let's see what it does today. And then you come to the 4 hours. On the stochastic here, we are already saying area to buy, but on the RSI, we are consolidating, and so we still don't know. This is a low, higher, because it's been rejecting this top here. See it rejected. Then they always closed here, rejection. Then a rejection here on this the 12 moving average. We still didn't touch this, so maybe we can even come here and then down, or here, hold, and then maybe up. But as I say, here this is the 6,400 I said before, 6,000, and this is the 200 moving average on the 4 hours chart. This is a good place to buy. This area, it's just you sell from the tops. This area, it's not good to do anything. Actually, I bought here, I sold there, and then I bought here, I sold there, but it was just a few profits, not so much. The big movement will be from the 6,000 to this 6,500, 450, or to sell from those tops from here, or even a bit higher. And then we have the trend lines. So with all the trend lines, these ones come from the bottom. We have this one here on the 6,600, which is connected with a weekly chart or with the daily chart, but then we have also these bottoms here, and the price can come here without losing the structure. And yeah, so that's what I'm waiting. Here it's already saying to buy, so we might just come, we can go up from here, or we can come down here and then up, or even here up. So RSI still can come down a little bit, and stochastic is already in the buy zone. So it's just like for doing cost You can put a buy order here, one here, one here, and the stop loss here, for instance. Yeah, so it depends on how you want to buy and the risk management. You can have one order where we are, small one, another order on this trend line, and then another order maybe on this trend line, and the stop loss here. So that's it. I will put just 1 hour chart. I'll take the trend lines. We always reject also this horizontal support here. See, the price never passed until we come down, and we are trying to find support on this area here. The first one, or this one, this will be the second. See, this area here. You need to look then on the chart, also on the horizontals here, where I have the mouse, where the price went up but never came down to test it. So all this area, it's a buy area. So to invest in Bitcoin now, see its price is rejecting. Maybe we've even come now here a little bit, but then I think we come down to these areas here or here. And I'm waiting to buy. Okay, and I'll put the 15 minutes now. So you see how we have this zone that price never managed to pass this horizontal. And now it's just going down, down, down. Maybe I can even do like a one line with this one here, with this top. So you see how the price reacts. Trying to see if it was the right place. Yeah, it's here. So from this top, more or less, created this top, and then two tries to go up, but then it got rejected by the horizontal, down, and then the price here tried a few times, always down, never closed above. This one tried, closed above. See, the price is trying to go down now. Closed above, but we didn't have like one candle opening and closing above. You need like a candle like this one here, but this was a fake out. This candle, it's like a confirmation to buy, but if you buy, you have a stop loss below, and if it comes down, you get out of the trade. But this was a confirmation to buy. If many people try to buy here, and then the price came down. But if you have a stop loss just below, there's no problem. Then you wait until something like this happens. This one was okay. This one closed above the white one, this one too, but then we are just rejecting this trend line. See, this is a short signal here, up, rejecting, and then down on this trend line. If you do shorts, you know, like if you bet on the market to go down, this is a short confirmation with this candle here. This one closed below, this one came touched and down. And we can even another one to touch this line here and down. So let's see what it does. Maybe it finds support here on this area, here, down, and then suddenly up, and we can come here or here again, but then maybe down again. So as you see, these are areas to buy, but now it's many sell pressure from this top. Already lost it. Now it's a sell pressure from this area here. And now new sell area, it's this one. It's already creating. See, the price is starting to come down. And I think we will crash in a bit. Oh, look, it's now. Look, the price coming down. You see the percentage here. Starting to crash. Look, look, look. See? And now it's trying to find support here to see if it holds. But still 6 minutes for the 15 minutes candle to hold. To close, see, it's going up a little bit. Let's see if it holds, see. But still 6 minutes. You need to wait for the candles to close to take decisions. But if you had an order to buy here, you could already put the stop loss here. If it comes down, you get out of the trade. This is a support area. So maybe the price now can still come up here. See, it's holding for now because of this support, horizontal support here on this area. Let's see what it does. So this was good that you see this video to see how the price reacts to a support, horizontal support, which is here. exactly where the price is at the moment. And if this one closes now or starts to go up and closes above this one here, then we go up. If it closes below this area, still the next one will be down because it didn't find. Maybe the other one it will be green, but then it arrives here and maybe down again. Let's see. I don't think this will hold, and we will see it going below, but let's see. But this is how you buy. It's when on fear, you know. You never know if it comes down, but you're buying. And then you put a stop loss here or a stop loss there. Or you buy a little bit here, a little bit here, and you put a stop loss here, you know. And this is where you buy. It's not when it's green. It's when it's red. And you see the support holding, see? The price going up, trying to go up because of the support. But maybe it touches here and then come down again. Because now this is resistance. Before was support, and now you create a horizontal line of resistance. But let's see the next candle in 5 minutes can be green, and then maybe suddenly it goes up until here. Who knows? But I think maybe the next one just comes here and then back down and does something like this, you know, a bit up but then down. But there was no risk. See, if you bought here on this support, the stop loss could be exactly here, and you don't lose almost just the trading fees. Almost, because not even 1% is, it's just like almost break even. You could be on the break even already, and you get out of the trade, you just pay the fees. And that's it. I won't wait, but at least you know how this works. And yeah, so let's see if this area holds now 4 minutes, and my computer just got stuck now. I'm trying to close the video, but it got stuck, so no problem. I think it's the internet. Okay. See, the price is starting to go down. It's not holding like I expected. But let's see if it holds. Still 3 minutes to go. If this one closes below this area, this candle, the next one will be even down, more down. And you look at this is the 15 minutes. You already know that the price is coming, and then you need to go to the 1 hour to see where are the supports. The support here is just these horizontals, and the supports are here. So you wait. You can be buying with a stop loss here if you believe this goes up, or you can buy only when the price shows strength above this area, this horizontal area. You buy when 2 or 3 candles closed above, at least 2 candles above, and then it goes up. Or you try to buy on the supports I said. And then I take out all these. See, the price is trying to go down, and the supports are on this top here, this area. But it's better to come to the big chart. This is the daily, as I told you. Support is here on this area on the daily, but then 4 hours starting to go down. We have this support here also, and let's see what it does. But I think we will come to this area, to this top here, or even here to the 6,200, or even 6,000 here. This is the ultimate buy, but I think we cannot lose this area to be more bullish, as I explained before. And that's it. You need to wait for the candles to close. See, the 4 hours, it's only in 4 hours, so this one was a rejection. The 1 hour. See, they closed below the 21. See the white lines always rejecting the price. It tried here in one candle, but the next one was down again. And you see this rejection, that the price, as soon as it touched this top, went down. So it's already telling you that many sellers here. So it's trying to find support on another area. And yeah, that's it. On the moving average is here, but it can, on this horizontal supports, it's from this area. But I think the maximum will be here. I think, we never know. And that's it. Cheers, man. I hope this helps, and keep on checking those videos. with the tutorials because they are the basics. And then you'll see, sometimes I speak too fast, but when you learn the basics, you will see what I'm explaining